the setting sun. But did you know this special drop can one day slow and even stop? So come along, let's take a ride where water magic comes alive. Morning splash routine.
In the morning when you brush, don't let the water gush and rush.
Turn it off while scrubbing teeth. Save the stream from underneath.
Bubbles dance, the sink stays dry. The magic water says, oh my!
You help me flow a little less, and that's what makes you water blessed. Water is magic.
Water is magic, water is life. It flows through rivers, oceans so wide. Drip by drip, let's learn to care and save the drops we all must share. Splash, splash, save each dash.
Water is magic, don't let it crash.
Around the house,
when you help to wash your hands, give the tap a short command.
turn it off while you scrub well. Water sings, you're smart, I can tell.
When you help with dishes too, only fill the sink halfway through. Use a cup, not running streams, and water stays in happy dreams.
Magic creatures speak. An elephant splashed in a puddle pool. He said, I drink, but I'm no fool.
A little save goes a long way for every beast and child at play.
The flowers nodded, we needed too. A gentle sip, not a big shampoo.
The fish all swam and gave a cheer. When kids save water, we all hear.
Bath time tips.
Baths are nice, but showers quick. Save more water, now that's the trick. Turn it off while soaping up, then rinse with just a little cup. Don't play long with hoses, please. The trees will cry.
Save us, breeze.
Water waits in lakes and tanks. Thank the drops and give them thanks. Water is magic, water is magic, water is kind. It flows in places you may not find. From glacier tips to jungle vines, it helps the earth and all that shines.
Drip, drop, make it stop.
Let's use it wisely, every drop.
Community helpers.
The plumber came to fix a leak. The faucet said you're super sleek. The bucket caught the dripping sound before it soaked the kitchen ground.
Rain barrels fill with sky's own gift to water plants or give a lift.
Reuse the water from the rain, that way we all can live again.
Magic reward.
If you save a drop today,